Hello everyone, my name is RJ Tinaya and I will be doing a video tutorial about programming in C Sharp. I'm going to teach you about some classes, objects and methods, and loops. So let's start. So we're going to start now. So the first thing that you need to do is go in the you need to search about programmies in C Sharp language. Yep. And it will show you this simple C Sharp example that prints try Programmis Pro. The output is try Programmis Pro because it is written in this console.writeline. So the first thing I'm going to teach you is about I think it's loop, the one that counts from 0 to 4. So the first thing that you need to do is type using system, then semicolon, class name ILS, then an open curly bracket, then enter, then public static void main string, then these two, then args, and then an open curly bracket again. So that the first thing that you're going to do is type 4, then int, dahil we're going to make a loop that counts down. Here we're going to make an example. Then the plus, then colon, then sa baba niyan is wait, that's a curly bracket. Then sa baba is console dot write line. Oh shit, put a dot, then close parenthesis, then I, because that's the let's try to run it if it will work. See. It's having a hard time. Oh, we got an error. What type of error is this on the 8 and the... So let's try and fix this. Oh, that's the mistake. Let's see if it's going to work. Yeah, so as you can see, it it prints out the number from up to pababa. Nag-start siya sa 0 kasi that's how the integers in this programming language works. So it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But pag binilang natin siya, that's 5 numbers. We can change it to 6 so that it can reach from 0 to 5 numbers to number 5. So yeah, that's how this system works. Now we're done with this loop, with this for int statement that counts down. We're going to move on to the next. So let's move on to the next one. We're going to erase this. I mean, you can keep the class to make it easier. Then the second one is a conditional. So we're going to start with a namespace. Let's see my... Oh. No. This should be a caps lock letters. Let's move on to the next. Public static again. Public static void, then main, close parentheses, open and close the string, then this and the args. Oh shit. And the open curly bracket again. So the first thing is that you'll do is we're going to make an conditional na if. So if let's say 15 is greater than, let's say, is greater than 20, let's say, then we're going, oh no, my bad. Going to put the open bracket yan, and ang conditionals is if is 15 is greater than 20, console that right line, then close parenthesis, quotation, let's see, let's say 20 and 15 is greater than 20. Let's see if this, oh shit, see if